Once upon a time in a small town, there lived a young man named Sam. Sam was a hardworking and kind person, but like many people in the world, he didn't always understand how to manage money. One sunny morning, Sam got his first paycheck from his new job at the bakery. It wasn't a lot, but it was the most money he had ever earned. Feeling excited, he went straight to the mall and bought a new phone, some fancy shoes, and a new jacket. By the end of the day, he had only a few dollars left in his pocket. That night, Sam's friend Lucy came to visit him. She noticed the new things he bought and said, "Wow, Sam, you've been shopping." Sam smiled and said, "Yeah, I got my first paycheck today. I feel great." But Lucy didn't seem as excited as Sam. She said, "Be careful, Sam. Spending money like this can be fun, but you have to save some too. What will you do if you need money tomorrow?" Sam laughed and said, "I'll be fine. I'll just wait until my next paycheck." A week later, Sam's phone broke. He needed to fix it, but when he checked his wallet, he didn't have enough money. He remembered Lucy's words about saving, and for the first time he felt worried. He had spent everything he earned. Feeling embarrassed, he went to Lucy's house and asked for help. Lucy smiled and said, "Sam, don't worry. This is a lesson everyone learns at some point. Let me show you how to manage your money better." Lucy sat down with Sam and taught him how to make a budget. She said, "A budget is a plan for your money. First, you write down how much you earn. Then, you think about what you need to pay for, like food, rent, and savings. After that, you can spend some on fun things, but not everything." Sam listened carefully and started making his budget. He realized that if he had saved just a little bit from his first paycheck, he wouldn't be in trouble now. After learning about budgets, Sam decided to change his habits. Every time he got paid, he saved 20% of his money. He put it in a savings account that Lucy helped him open at the bank. At first, it wasn't easy. Sam saw his friends buying new clothes and going out to eat, but he knew he had to stick to his plan. "It's okay," he told himself. "I'm saving for something important." Months passed, and Sam's savings grew. One day, he saw a sign for a cooking class at the local school. Sam loved baking, and he wanted to learn more skills so he could grow in his job. The class cost $300, but this time Sam had the money. He paid for the class with his savings and felt proud. "I never thought I could save this much," Sam said to Lucy, "and now I'm using my money to learn something new." As Sam learned more about money, he realized something important. Money isn't just for spending or saving, it can also be used to help others. One day, while walking home from work, Sam saw a young boy selling lemonade on the corner of the street. The boy looked tired, and Sam noticed he didn't have many customers. Sam walked over and asked, "How's business?" The boy, named Tom, sighed and said, "Not good. I'm trying to raise money to buy a bike, but no one is buying lemonade today." Sam remembered how hard it was when he didn't have enough money for the things he wanted. He decided to help Tom. He bought 2 cups of lemonade and gave Tom a few extra dollars as a tip. Tom's eyes lit up and he said, "Thank you so much." Sam smiled and said, "You're welcome. Keep working hard, and one day you'll get that bike." Later that evening, Sam thought about how good it felt to help someone else. He realized that money, when used wisely, can make a difference in other people's lives too. Years passed, and Sam's life continued to improve. He was promoted at the bakery and earned more money. He bought a small house, but he always remembered Lucy's lessons about saving. He never spent more than he earned, and he always put money aside for the future. One day, Sam decided to start his own bakery. He used the money he had saved over the years to rent a shop, buy ingredients, and open his business. It wasn't easy at first, but because he had learned how to manage money, Sam knew how to keep his business running. Soon, people from all over the town came to buy Sam's famous cakes and bread. His business grew, and he hired more people to help him. Sam became known as one of the most successful bakers in town, but even with his success, Sam never forgot where he started. He still helped others whenever he could. He donated money to local charities and even taught young kids about saving and budgeting. Sam's journey with money wasn't always easy. He made mistakes, learned valuable lessons, and grew from his experiences. In the end, he realized that money isn't just about buying things. It's about planning for the future, helping others, and using it wisely. Sam's story teaches us that no matter how